Alright, quick guide to taking screenshots on a Windows PC. Fastest one, Windows key plus print screen. The screen dims for a second, and your full screenshot saves automatically to Pictures Chrome screenshots. No extra steps, need just the active window, Alt plus print screen. That copies the window to your clipboard. Open Paint and hit Ctrl plus V to paste. Open Word and hit Ctrl plus V to paste. Open a chat and hit Ctrl plus V to paste. Most flexible, Windows plus Shift plus S. That opens Snipping Tool right on top of your screen. Rectangular, freeform, window, full screen. Drag to select, release. Copied to clipboard with a preview in the corner. Click the preview to annotate. Click the preview to highlight. Click the preview to save. In Snipping Tool settings, toggle automatically save screenshots so they land in pictures. Screenshots, snips. Gaming, use Windows plus Alt plus print screen with Xbox Game Bar. Those save to videos. Captures. On compact keyboards or laptops, you might need to hold Fen with print screen. Try Fen plus PrtSc. Try Fen plus Windows plus PrtSc. Try Fen plus Alt plus PrtSc. Quick recap, full screen and autosave, Windows plus PrtSc. Active window to clipboard, Alt plus PrtSc. Custom area with tools, Windows plus Shift plus S. Game window save, Windows plus Alt plus PrtSc. Pro tips, use Ctrl plus S in Snipping Tool to choose a folder. Hit S key to cancel a snip. If nothing happens, check the print screen key isn't mapped in settings by Accessibility, Keyboard, or check that OneDrive isn't intercepting screenshots in its settings. That's it. Fast screenshots, every way you need them. Try one now and see which sticks.